Hey guys, my name is Tracy. I'm a certified medium with Inner Being Awakened on Facebook, and I help to empower the empath collective, as within, so without, helps raise the vibe on the planet.
Hey guys, it's me again, Oren. I'm a certified personal trainer. If you want to look me up, you can look me up on YouTube as Oren King. And today we have a special smoothie for you. So if you have inflammation in the body, this smoothie is going to help. But this smoothie is related to upper back and lower back inflammation, okay? So
We also have some links down below for different exercises you can do to strengthen your upper and lower back.
Alright, so the first ingredients we have is already poured. We have, so it's 1 cup of almond milk, okay? The second ingredient, we're going to use 1 frozen banana. There it goes. And the next thing we can do is spinach. Spinach is 2 handfuls of spinach. So she's separating it. There you go. And now we have 1 cup of blueberries, you can see. And we have 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And another 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Maca root powder is really great for inflammation because it helps the body balance hormones, deal with stress, and regulate energy.
And if you want to purchase the Maca root powder, the link will be in the description below if you choose to. Okay? That looks yummy.
So today we're going to be using the Ninja smoothie bowl and smoothie maker. And the great thing about this is it's so compact and easy to use. It comes with 2 of these on the go cup holders, as well as a smoothie bowl maker. We'll put the link in the description for this as well. So it's got a few different options. We're going to push the smoothie button. Happy healing!
And thank you guys for watching. I'm honored that you took the first step into good health and well-being. Cheers. It's good.
Oh, it's really good. It's nice and earthy.
Yeah, has a little kick to it, eh? I'm back in my throat.